Hi everybody, welcome to Gen Technology. Today I'm going to give you a brief tour of Gmail. So let's get started. Okay, so the first time you go to Gmail, uh, you'll end up in the inbox tab here. So inbox is where you'll get most of your messages. I mean all of them actually. Yeah, this is primary and this is social. So um, this is promotions like ads and stuff. Okay, and here you can start messages. For example, let me just start this, and now it will appear in start. Okay, and snooze. Snooze is like an alarm clock. You can snooze it by clicking this. Snooze until maybe tomorrow. Okay, and then sent is it shows you what messages you sent. So what, and here drafts, so you can make a draft. uh, for example, let me just go here to what, and hello, I am Tesco. Okay, so this will be automatically saved if you don't send it yet. Okay, next for nothing. So here you can check on Hangouts. On the right side, these are add-ons. Now, this is a setting. Uh, this is the keypad, and you can refresh it. Not all is red. So so you might be wondering why I have this signature. So in the next video I will teach you how to do it. Now you can also schedule send, which I will teach you in another video too. So basically that's it. Oh, I forgot you can also search down here, but that's not important. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and hopefully you will know more about Gmail now. Okay, thanks. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.